Patient presented with shortness of breath. History taken. Now, let's examine the lungs like a real doctor in English. Section 1. Role play.
Mr. Miller, now I'd like to perform a respiratory examination, which means I'll examine your chest and breathing. It shouldn't be painful, but please let me know if anything feels uncomfortable. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
I'm going to raise the bed slightly so you're more comfortable. I'll also need to expose your chest, but I'll keep you covered as much as possible. Before we start, are you in any pain right now?
No pain, just a bit short of breath.
Thank you for telling me. We'll go step by step. First, I'm going to observe your breathing.
Why do doctors always stand at the end of the bed?
Good question. From here, I can see how hard you're working to breathe and whether you're using extra breathing muscles. I can also check if someone looks short of breath at rest. Could you please show me your hands? What are you looking for? Sometimes, lung diseases cause changes in the fingers or skin. For example, finger clubbing, which can occur in chronic lung conditions. Now please place your index fingers together like this. Now please stretch your hands out in front of you. Like this? Perfect. I'm checking for a fine tremor, which can happen with inhaler medications. Now bend your wrists backwards and hold that position. What does that test show? I'm looking for something called asterixis, or a flapping tremor. Sometimes it happens when carbon dioxide builds up in the blood in severe lung disease. I'm going to check your pulse now.
Is my pulse normal?
It's a little faster than average, which can happen when someone is short of breath. While I'm here, I'm also observing your breathing rate. Please look up slightly. I'm checking your eyes for pallor, which could suggest anemia. Now could you open your mouth? Why? I'm checking for central cyanosis, which can happen when oxygen levels are low. Now I'm going to look at the veins in your neck. This helps assess pressure in the circulation. Please turn your head slightly to the left. Next, I'll gently feel your neck to check the position of your windpipe. This may feel a little uncomfortable. What does that show? If the windpipe shifts to one side, it can suggest lung collapse or pressure in the chest. Now please take a deep breath in.
Is something wrong?
I noticed that the chest movement is slightly reduced, especially on this side. Now I'm going to tap on your chest. This helps assess the air inside the lungs. Now I'll listen to your lungs. Please take deep breaths through your mouth.
Do you hear anything unusual?
Yes, I can hear wheezing, which often happens when the airways become narrowed. Could you lean forward and fold your arms across your chest? This helps me listen to the back of your lungs. That completes the examination. You can relax now. Thank you for your cooperation.
Doctor, is something wrong with my lungs?
Some of the findings suggest airway narrowing, which we often see in conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. However, this is only a preliminary impression. We still need to confirm it with further tests, such as oxygen saturation, lung function tests, and possibly a chest X-ray. Once we have the results, we can rule out other causes and make a final diagnosis.
Section 2. Killer Medical English Phrases. Starting the exam. I'd like to perform a respiratory examination. It shouldn't be painful. Please let me know if anything feels uncomfortable. During the exam. Could you take a deep breath for me? I'm going to listen to your lungs. I'm checking for signs of respiratory disease. Explaining findings. I can hear wheezing. Chest expansion appears reduced. Your breathing rate is slightly elevated. Clinical communication. This is only a preliminary impression. We need further tests to confirm the diagnosis. We also need to rule out other possible causes. Section 3. Practice. Exercise 1. MCQ. Choose the best variant. Question 1. The doctor observes the patient to assess how hard the patient is working to breath, breathing, breathe, breathed. Pause the video and choose the best option. Correct answer, C. Breathe. Repeat the collocation. Work hard to breathe. Question 2. During general inspection, the doctor checks whether the patient is using additional breathing muscles, extra breathing muscles, secondary breathing muscles, supportive breathing muscles. Correct answer, B. Extra. Repeat, extra breathing muscles. Question 3. Placing index fingers together is used to check for finger swelling, finger clubbing, finger bending, finger tremor. Correct answer, B. Clubbing. Repeat the collocation. Finger clubbing. Question 4. While checking for a flapping tremor, the doctor asks the patient to bend their wrists upward, outside, backward, sideways. Correct answer, C. Backward. Repeat the phrase, bend your wrists backward. Question 5. Carbon dioxide can build over in the blood, around in the blood, build up in the blood, inside in the blood. Correct answer, C. Up. Repeat the collocation. Carbon dioxide builds up in the blood. Question 6. The doctor palpates the radial artery in order to observe the patient's pulse, watch the patient's pulse, check the patient's pulse, control the patient's pulse. Correct answer, C. Check. Repeat, check the pulse. Question 7. While auscultating the chest, the doctor asks the patient to take a deep breathing, breathe, breath, air. Correct answer, C. Breath. Repeat, take a deep breath. Question 8. While using the stethoscope during the examination, the doctor carefully hears to the patient's lungs, listens to the patient's lungs, checks to the patient's lungs, observes to the patient's lungs. Correct answer, B. Listens. Repeat the collocation. Listen to the lungs. Question 9. During auscultation, the doctor notes wheeze, wheezing, wheezed, wheezy. Correct answer, B. Wheezing. Repeat, hear wheezing. Question 10. At the end of the examination, the doctor explains that this is only a temporary impression, early impression, preliminary impression, possible impression. Correct answer, C. Preliminary. Repeat, preliminary impression. Exercise 2. Comment challenge. Write your answers in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. 1. One professional sentence asking a patient to breathe deeply. 2. One sentence explaining wheezing to a patient. 3. One sentence explaining tests are needed before a diagnosis. And that's it. Next video, respiratory diagnosis, management, and patient consent, the English doctors actually use. Subscribe not to miss, like and follow for more Medical English Pro.